Hello everyone. Today we'll be building rock paper scissors game. So let's start by creating the HTML. Right? I'll just name the HTML file index.html. I'll also create CSS file. I'll just name it style.css. Let's wait for some time. I'll just create the very basic HTML template and give the title rock paper scissors game. Right? Then I'll just copy this one. So what I'll do is I'll just create the div. This is the parent div, and I'll give the class name container, and let's give h1. I'll just make use of h1 and I'll just copy this one. Same in rock paper scissors. I'll create one more div. I'll just give class name choices. So within this div, I'll be creating 3 buttons. Sorry. I'll just give 3 buttons. Next, what I'll do, I'll just give the name rock paper scissors, right? This is one thing. And here, I'll just make use of I'll just give the class name, right? So I'll just hold Alt and I'll just write class of BTM. Then what I need, I'll just make use of the on click and I'll just give function name play of rock. So I'll just copy the same thing here. And just copy this one. And I'll paste here. I'll paste this one as well. So here this will be paper. This one will be scissors, right? I'll just format the document once. So after this one, I'll just make use of one more div. I'll not write anything inside the div. I'll just make use of the ID and I'll give the name result. So this is it for the HTML. So what I'll do, I'll just format this once. Next, let's start writing the CSS. Before that one, I'll just link the style sheet and I'll just give the path style and name style.css. So let's start writing the CSS part. So what I want, I just want to import the Poppins font. So I'll just open the Chrome and I'll search for Poppins font. I'll just click on the first link, get font, get embed code, import. I'll just copy these 3 lines, paste it over here. Next, I'll just make use of the body. Within body, I'll just come here again. I'll just make use of font family, right? This one, I'll copy this one. The primary font we'll be using is Poppins and the secondary font we'll be making use of is sans serif. I'll just give text align center. And next, we'll be writing the style for container. This one, I'll just copy this one. I'll paste this one. Here, I'll give margin top of 50 pixel. Next, I'll just write the style for button, this one. Class of button, I'll just copy this one and I'll paste it over here. I'll give padding of 10 pixel, 20 pixel. This is horizontally and vertically. And font size of 18 pixel. Margin of 10 pixel. Also cursor pointer. This is it for the button. Next, we'll be writing styles for this one, ID of result. So I'll just make use of hash this time. And let's write font size of 24 pixel. Margin top of 20 pixel. I'll just format the document one. Here I'll format the document, this one, HTML file as well. What I have done is I have installed an extension called live server. So what this does is whatever changes we make in HTML, it will get directly reflected in the browser so that we don't have to reload the page again and again in the browser to see the results, right? And just right click and click on open with live server. Let's wait for some time. So now this is looking like this. Whenever I click on rock, so I am choosing rock and the computer has to choose its own this thing, right? Either it has to choose rock, paper or scissor. And we have to display the result just below this one, just below these three buttons, right? So that we'll be doing by making use of JavaScript. So what I'll be doing is I'll just create JavaScript file index.js. So I'll just include the JavaScript file just below the body. So for that one, what I'll do, I'll just make use of script index.js. I'll just give format document once, right? So next, what I'll be doing, let's start by writing the function to play the game. I'll just create the function. I'll just use play and I'll use the parameter player choice. Next, we'll be giving the array of choices. I'll just comment this one out. I'll be making use of the variable name choices. Let's give a rock, paper, scissors, right? What have I missed? So here, yeah. Sorry. Next, we have to, we'll randomly select the computer choice. We have to, right? So I'll just comment this one and write randomly select computer choice. I'll just make use of the variable name computer choice choices math.flow. Instead of math.flow, I'll just make use of the tilde operator. It is somewhat faster than math.flow. So I'll just give math.random to choose the random number between 0 to 1. I'll just multiply this one with length of the choices, right? So this is it till now. Next what we'll do, I'll just initialize a variable to store the result, right? So I'll just give let result equals. Now next what we'll do, we have to determine the result of the game. Who is the winner, right? Suppose there are three things: either player will be winner, or the computer, or it will be a tie. So these three things we have to do. So I'll just comment this one and write determine the result of the game. If player choice, computer choice. So 1 second. Yeah. Then the result will be, I'll just give it's a tie. So next what I'll do, else if, so player choice equals raw, and computer choice is scissors, or player choice paper, computer choice rock, or player choice and computer choice paper, right? Then these are the probabilities that we have written. Then we'll give a result, you win, else result will be you lose. So these are the probabilities. Either it will be a tie, or you win, or you lose. So this is it for this function. I mean, not the function, this is it for the determining the result of the game. Next, what we'll do, we have to display the result just below these buttons, right? So I'll just open this one. We have to display the result here, right? So for that one, what I'll be doing, I'll just comment this out and write display the result. So I'll just make use of document dot get element by ID of a result, this one, where it is coming from, this one, div. So I'll just copy this one. I'll just make use of inner text. So I'll just close this one, okay? So I'll just make use of the template literals. You choose player choice, the computer chose, it will be the random number, right? That we have given here. I mean, mat.floor of random number into choices length. So this one, this will be computer choice along with the result. So this is it. I'll just format the document once, JS file, and I'll just format this one as well. Format this one. So let's just check. I'll just click on the rock. You chose rock, the computer chose paper. So you lose. This one I have done misspelled somewhere. 1 second. This has to be you, right? So I'll just click on rock. You chose rock, computer chose paper. You lose. So this one is paper, the computer chose paper. It's a tie. So you chose paper, the computer rock, you win. Everything is working proper, right? So yeah, this is it. I mean, you can improve this one. You can design it well. That's it. Everything is working fine. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.